Hey, hello guys. Welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machine channel. My name is Richard. So today I'm inside of our machinery workshop, and as you can see, these are the components for the vertical roller mill. The name for these are called rocker arms. So as for the structure, you can see this is the top part of the rocker arm, and this is the bottom part of the rocker arm. And you can see this front surface is connected to the grinding rollers, and then together they will form a grinding unit that exerts a force on the grinding table to grind the material. And also you can see how they are connected. So there's a forward shaft that is connecting these two parts together. And then also on each side of the forward shaft there are two iron casting bearing housings, and then together it forms a complete grinding unit. So yes, so thank you. In our next video I will share more about our vertical roller mill component. Thank you.